Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own car. Here's all the materials you're going to need. So first off, you're going to put 4 blocks of black concrete powder. They're going to add the frame of the car. Okay, so when you're done with that, we're going to add blue concrete. Add the shulker blocks over here. Add some glass. Add the 4 blocks over here. Add a door over here. A door over here. Window over here. Then you're going to put some string in here. Then put some blue carpet on the top. Just finish off the roof. And when you're done with that, don't forget to add the buttons on the wheels. Then when you're done with that, we're gonna get these 3 blocks over here. We're gonna add mirrors, 2 normal torches, and 2 redstone torches. And there we go. There's your car. So, like and subscribe.